Hi everyone, this is Steve Vlog, sa Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa tayo ng reaction video sa Barda compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Nakupulog na ako sa upuan ko. Happy Barda Day everyone! Ay ano to?
Papatanong na, would you ever consider dating a fan? Or
Ay.
parang baka masyado siyang starstruck, baka himatayin?
Ay!
Of course.
Ay talaga?
I like her.
Bet makadate ng fan?
Oo naman, again, like halos lahat
Ako,
naman
maraming
naging...
matutuwa niya.
Lahat naman non-showbiz yung mga exes ko and kilala naman talaga nila ako as David, although baka hindi ko sila, hindi nila ako fan. Hindi sila fan ko, but they knew me as an artist, diba?
So you're willing to date a fan?
Anybody
Ay!
really.
Willing to
Anybody
date a
na I
fan?
really like.
So you don't prefer
Willing
na
to
tiga
date a
showbiz
fan ang
maging
ginoo?
girlfriend mo? Or dapat outside showbiz para less intrigues?
Oh, those
Kasi
are my
pag same
goals.
trabaho, mas maintindihan niya ang...
You know, again, there's always a trade-off, diba? Like, siguro kapag nasa showbiz, you would understand my job better. Pero at the same time, like, you both are in the limelight, right?
Oo.
Parang lahat
Everything
na
na
lang,
magnify.
diba? Yeah, so
Okay.
on the other hand naman, kapag non-showbiz, mas low-key kayo
Mas
and
low-key kayo.
like, different fields, so I think that's better somehow. But then again, would she understand my job?
Would she
So,
understand?
always a trade-off.
David, you're called the pambansang Ginoo.
Hala.
How do you react to that? May pressure pa ba? May, with
Sige
the
nga, panoorin
expectations
nga natin to.
that come with it. Nape-pressure ka ba when you're called pambansang Ginoo?
I think it's again, it's a pressure-filled name.
It's a pressure.
Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit ako tinawag na
Pambansang Ginoo.
pambansang Ginoo. But of course, since yun na nga yung tawag sa akin, I have to, kailangan ko pakita na, alam mo yun, maging good example sa mga tao.
And you embrace it.
Yeah,
Pero may
yeah.
mga panahon ba na ikay maginoo pero konting
Ay.
bastos?
Oo naman. Cheres. Sige.
Siguro
Sige nga.
paminsan.
Oo. I like that.
Ano ba napanood?
May kakaibang titig.
Totoo
Pero alam mo,
ba?
pinag-uusapan talaga ng marami, ang titig ni David. Totoo yan, di ba? Titig ni David. Ano yun? What is it? To the cam nga. Ano yung titig pag nagpapakilig si David Licauco?
Okay. Ano? Ay! Ay! Cheres.
Okay. No, congratulations on this new movie that you have with Barbie.
Thank you, appreciate it.
That kind of love. Pero pag-usapan muna natin. Ikaw ba, David, nung when you were a lot younger, halimbawa when you were 16, 17, what kind of love, ano ang tingin mo noon sa love? Romantic, relationship love, as you would say.
I think when I was younger, as long as maganda, siguro chinita, tsaka masaya kausap. Before kasi uso nun yung mga Yahoo Messenger, di ba? So parang kapag masaya kausap, minsan parang feeling mo in love ka na eh. Di ba? Pagbata ka ba, di ba?
Oo.
Pero syempre ngayon, iba
Okay.
na.
But
iba
during
na.
that time, doon muna tayo, during that time, naniniwala ka na merong perfect love, may perfect match.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Meron?
Siguro before, parang feeling ko,
Ano?
ang love is hindi kailangan ng work. Diba? Feeling ko, dapat swak lang kayo palagi. If it's hard, goodbye, di ba? Pagbata ka.
Okay. Halimbawa, David at 22, ano naman yung love na yun? Naging ano?
I think when you're 22, kakagraduate mo lang noon, siguro someone who has dreams. I think, kumbaga, kunwari, pangarap niya maging isang doktor. Someone who goes after her dreams. I think at that time, okay na rin ako. And then of course, dapat yung compatibility namin, okay, mabait, good family.
Okay.
Diba? So-
All right. David at 29.
I think now it's, like really different. I think you have to empathize with your partner. And for sure, marami kasing problema along the way. Kailangan mong lumaban. Kailangan mong intindihin kung saan nanggagaling yung partner mo. And hindi na siya yung parang gaya ng dati na, basta maganda lang. O kaya good family background, ganyan, mabait.
That's right.
Diba?
Oo.
So now talaga, mas naging ako eh.
Naging?
Siguro understanding. Kailangan na ng ganun.
Matured na siya.
Really,
Ay! Ano to?
excites me. Kasi if you fail, matutuwa ka.
Puno substance din talaga siya. Actually, yung mindset niya talaga, hindi lang yung pa-cute or payami siya. No, akala ko talaga, ganun siya eh, pa-cute and payami. Before, hindi pala, no? Hindi
Ito ang
pala.
mga qualities
Ay!
na gusto ko. Isa-isahin natin. Go.
Siyempre, physically, maganda.
Ay.
Hindi masyadong chinita.
Ay, ang hirap naman naman. So, very Barbie Fortesa talaga. Very Barbie Fortesa talaga.
Chinitang hindi
Very
chinita.
Barbie
specific,
Fortesa talaga.
medyo
Kanyang
hilaw.
May pagkamistisang
Medyo
chinita,
hilaw.
gano'n.
Ganun.
Oo.
Puti.
Maputi. May siya sa maputi. Chinitang hindi may pagka-chinitang mistisa.
Cutie.
Kayo na bahala mag-isip kung ano yun. Okay, ano pa yung isa? When you look at a girl, anong una mong napapansin?
Eyes?
Yun lang naman sa physical.
Ayos.
Pero dito tayo sa personality. Ano yung attractive sa'yo pagdating sa personality ng isang babae?
Someone who's really nice, genuinely nice. Yung may
Na
empathy.
ang hirap
Mahirap.
i-determine ngayon kung ano ba yung nice and genuinely
Genuine.
nice.
Yeah,
Oo.
exactly.
Diba? Mahirap.
Someone who's in touch with life.
In touch with life.
Oo, ano naman yung in touch with
Ang
life?
daming alam ni Ginoo.
Explain mo naman sa amin. Parang yung
Ginoo,
mga girls,
ang dami mong
"Hey,
alam."
Ano ba yung in touch with
Sabihin
life?
mo na yung totoo.
Touch na ba namin lahat?
Pwede mo nang ikwento ang
in touch with
totoo.
life?
Di
Okay,
ba?
let's say, sabihin natin yung hindi masyado nag-cellphone. Yung parang
Ay.
present.
Ayaw niya
Hindi,
no?
hindi masyado nag-social media.
Ayaw niya
Kasi when you're
pala,
like that,
no?
parang mas in touch ka in life. You're more assertive, you are more relaxed. Medyo wala kang pakialam sa inisip ng mga ibang tao.
Ay, true.
So parang simplified
Oo nga
term
naman.
ko lang siguro.
Di ba? Oo nga
Someone
naman.
who's like that. And mamahalin ako, syempre.
Ay,
Caring.
mamahalin. Charis!
And
Mamahalin
understanding
naman pala.
Of course. Yun
Gusto
yung
naman palang
importante.
mamahalin ang ginoo natin. Paano yan?
Understanding.
Paano pag in-adapt dito yung heated rivalry, isa ka sa Kolundila? Ikaw tanongin, Derek, sino gusto
Oh.
mong partner? Na
Ah.
artista din, no? Lalaki, lalaki. Heated rivalry. Sige.
Ay, pinag-aagawan talaga. Pinag-aagawan talaga nila si Ginoo din. Hindi lang si Barbie ang Hindi lang si Barbie ang pinagkakaagawan.
Align yung mata. So,
Pati si David din. Oh my God! Totoo ba?
parang cutie-cutie ako, parang manji-manji.
Oh my God!
Di ba? Hit mo ng my husband's lover.
Diba? Nag-alarm pa rin yung telepono ko.
Super hit yun yung my husband's lover.
Okay. Nagpapakilig ha, titig sa camera habang ginagawa natin ang that kind of fast talk.
Ay,
Okay?
go!
Yan, ayan.
Ay, ayan. Ay, ganon.
Our time begins now.
Ganon, cute din dito, boy, eh,
Maginoo,
no?
medyo bastos.
Mga ginoo.
Mayaman, gwapo.
Mayaman.
Kissing, cuddling. Camera.
Kissing.
Diretso, paliko-liko.
Diretso.
Mahabang ligawan, mabilis ang ligawan.
Mahaba.
Risk
Mahaba.
taker, heartbreaker.
Risk taker.
Good boy, naughty boy.
Ay,
Sometimes.
ay, something.
Single,
Ba't di
taken.
na lang aminin?
Taken.
Taken.
Should take. Okay. Kinikilig ka kapag
Kapag nakikita ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay,
Ay,
kinakabang ka kapag
kausap kita, Tito Boy.
ay,
tinitilian ka kapag
Kapag kumakanta, tsaka sumasayaw dahil magaling ako
ang
sumayaw.
galing. Nakita namin kanina.
Yes.
Yes.
Napapakagat labi ka kapag
kapag,
Alam niyo na.
alam niyo na.
Ideal age
Hindi
to get
namin
married.
alam. Nagigigil.
5 or 6.
Ideal woman
okay.
to love.
Again.
Someone who is smart and understanding.
Mila o Clay?
Ay! Clan.
Mila.
Ay!
Canada, Korea.
Korea.
Dilaw, pula.
Dilaw.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-make out sa sinihan.
Ay! Guilty.
Guilty.
Hello.
Guilty or not guilty? Nag-drunk dial ng ex.
Ay!
Guilty.
Ay,
Guilty or not
yan.
guilty? Nakipag-blind date.
Siguro yung message lang dati sa Instagram. Ano.
Guilty or
Okay.
not guilty? Nakipagsuntukan dahil sa babae.
Siguro ano lang, confrontation lang.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanligaw ng artista.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty? Nakatulog ng walang suot.
Guilty.
Lights
Ay.
on or lights off?
Lights on tayo para makita.
Happiness or
Oh my
chocolate?
God! Atake si Ginoo.
Chocolates.
Best time for happiness?
Siguro kapag di ako pagod.
Complete this. The best kind of love is...
The best kind of love is understanding and unconditional.
Anyways, that is our for today's video. From Barda Compilation, this is Steve Vlogs. See you on the next vlog. Bye.